Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called a text to HTML ratio, or it is also called code to text ratio. Now if we write content in a web page, that is mostly the textual content. We use text and images there. So take an example. Suppose for 7boats.com. So if you see our home page, so what we can see here, as a human being, we can see here, these are all the text written over here. You can see these navigational links, these are all text. You can see all text here. So this page is containing then images along with the alt tag, and then again headings, subheadings, and also textual content. Now as a human being, we can see this design and text content, but as search engines, Google, Yahoo, Bing, the search engines, they would actually see the source HTML code. So we can see this view page source code, they would read from top to bottom as we have earlier discussed. Now there are lots of lines you can see like this: link, relevance, style sheet, then all these things, these are called the coding part. Now out of this coding part, search engines, they would filter the text part, the content part, that we are seeing here, and the part of the code that is written over there. So they would filter and they would take the ratio of what percentage of text is there, what percentage of coding is there. Now the ground rule is that the text percentage must be greater than 15%, 15%. It should be greater than 15%. And it is a very important factor for search engine ranking. If this ratio, higher the ratio, better your chance is that you get prominent rank in SERP, the first page rank, in the top rank of SERP. This is one of the most important factor of on-page SEO. Now how to check this code to text ratio? So we search in Google with code to text ratio checker, and we see the SEO chat tool. So we click on this and we put the URL of that particular page. So for our home page, we put this 7boats.com here. So we put it over here and we put the captcha over here. So QXEB3. So we put it here and we click on check ratio. So we can see the web page size is 134 KB and code size is 99 KB and text size is 35 KB. So your code to text ratio is 26.29%. So that is better than greater than 15%. So it is quite good. Now if you can increase it up to 50% or 49% or 60%, the better chances that you would get rank higher position in SERP, search engine result page. Now this is a bit difficult. It's a challenge that your coder or developer who is developing the website, they should optimize the code, or else the alternate way is that you have to increase the length of your content. So normally if it is below 300 words, then we call it thin content. Thin content is very bad for SEO. Google will not like it. 500 words content is more or less okay. Ideally you should have 1000 words content, and maximum you can have 2500 words content in a page, and then you have to break down it in different other pages. So to increase the text ratio, you have to either increase your content or else you have to optimize your code. That is a purely development job. So code to text ratio is, out of your total page size, Google will filter the code size and the text size, and you should have a text size ratio greater than 15%. That is the bare minimum thing. Then there is a better chance that you would get rank in Google search result. Now for e-commerce websites, there is a problem. Say for example, if we check with flipkart.com, Now most of the cases e-commerce website, they are having their products images and the product description on the home page and other pages, and very limited content is there, because there is no need to write long essay type things for any product. So if you click on any of the item, so you see here in the home page itself they are having very less content. Now if you click on this particular watch, so we see only these are the content part over written here, and you see these are the related products, then is the key features. So these are coming under the content, this is coming under content, but there is actual no long type of content, and here is one or two reviews are there. So for e-commerce SEO, it is a bit challenge to do the on-page SEO because the content is limited. So you have to either write a very good product description, and as well as you have to gather more and more reviews that containing the focus keyword, so that you can get a better text to code ratio. It should be more than 15%. So if you check with any e-commerce website, the code to text ratio you would see normally it would vary in between 4 to 8%. So if you can put more and more content in the product description part, and you can gather more and more client reviews, customer reviews, then it would be better that the code to text ratio would be higher, and you can get a better rank in search engine result page. So this is one trick for e-commerce SEO. So I hope it's now clear the code to text ratio and how to check it. Thank you.